Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and today I have one of the most classical product, that is a console frame with a mirror. You have seen this item so many times already in movies, in TV show, in several homes, and it's one of the most multi-purpose and most used product. A console table, it can be a showpiece table, you can place some designer product on this. It can be a foyer table. These are also used in vanity, and a mirror frame can also be used along with a dressing table. So this unit can be a console table with mirror frame or a dressing unit as per your requirement. In solid teak wood, teak finish, and the size, I'll tell you size, 42 inches left to right, front to back this is 16 inches, and total height is 6.5 feet. Platform height is 30 inches, and we have a small drawer right here. If you see, the work here is all hand carved. The carving work, the designing work, everything is hand done, and this is the art that we have here. And this art we are promoting across the globe. And I'm really thankful to all of you because you have loved our work, you have blessed us with your orders, and this has allowed us to generate more work for the local people. There was a time when the plain furniture, the Chinese furniture, and the bulk import furniture has almost covered the entire market. So wherever you are going, whichever showroom you are going to, you would have find the plain stuff, the MDF ply stuff, and with some moldings pasted on it. But here we are working in solid teak wood. And in last 4 or 5 years, we promoted this art and on social media, on multiple channels, and people have loved it. And now everybody, every artisan is getting so much work. So this is the reason that so many people here in this city are getting more work and more people are getting employed. The work is right in front of you, the carving work, the fine finish, and it is ready for dispatch. We deliver globally in India and out of India, wherever you are, and you can contact us and we will make what you like and deliver to your place. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.